Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, a lot of folks getting ready to head out for trick-or-treating, so we'll get to that forecast here in just about 10 seconds. I want to show you what's going on the radar right now. I've had a couple of folks email in to say, hey, is the rain coming for trick-or-treating tonight? No. Fronts move through. It's sort of stalled out just to the east of us, and so what we're dealing with now is just some enhanced drizzle across the region. You can't even really pick it up on the radar sweep, an indication that it is basically just drizzle out there, and I'll zoom in and show you what we've got as we get a little closer towards parts of Douglas County and then up and through the valley and out to the central coast. A couple of light blips out there. You can see the radar sweeps sliding across, and again, just some light drizzle and sort of foggy conditions as well, so I think we should be A-okay. I don't think you'll really need a whole lot of rain gear out there tonight. You want to throw it in the car just to feel better for it? Sure, go for it. Otherwise, I think we're looking good. High pressure loft sitting to the south and west of us. It's too far south, a little closer, and we'd eventually start to clear all these skies out. So I'm going to keep us mostly cloudy over the next 4 to 5 hours, but as I mentioned, we should be able to get most of the trick-or-treating done. And in fact, we'll break down the next couple of hours for trick-or-treating forecast. Conditions getting better, terrifyingly better by the time we get to about 9 o'clock tonight. We'll see the temperatures only starting to fall into the upper 40s, so a fairly mild forecast for the kiddos as they head out the door as well. 56 degrees in Eugene right now, 56 in Cottage Grove, 66 current temperature in Roseburg, 55 in North Bend, 57 in Corvallis, and even out into the mountains, 40s and 50s as you get out into Central Oregon. So as we go in through the next couple of hours for this evening, as we mentioned, we'll see things slowly kind of break down, cloud cover breaking down as well by about 11 o'clock. We'll likely see some fog fill into the valleys here as we go overnight into early Friday morning, but otherwise Friday morning and into the afternoon, we'll see the sunshine starting to move back into the forecast. Last good day of that, though, as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Wind, rain, and oh yeah, snow up in the Cascades will be the story. So this is what's developing. We've got a lot of moisture being pulled up from right around the tropics, and so it's got a lot of juice to it. We'll also see a low start to form on this system as well and eventually head north and swing on through the state. A couple more are going to be reinforcing that back and behind it. This is jet stream starting to dip southward. Right now, we've got a little bubble of high pressure that will build in for tomorrow. Should keep that storm at bay as we roll in through the latter half of Friday evening. Friday night games, the play-in area football games should be fine. And then again for the Beavs, I think we're looking good as well. As we head to Saturday morning, we'll see pretty windy conditions, could be breezy throughout most of the day, and just kind of a raw, wet day for your Saturday. So morning fog, we'll see mostly sunny skies by the afternoon. Temperatures along the coast around 60 degrees, mid-60s tomorrow. So nice big push of some warm air out ahead of that main front coming through. Cascades will likely start to clear as we head into the afternoon. Freezing levels jumping way up to 12,000 feet. Mostly sunny and mild for parts of Central Oregon, and we should be able to clear out some by the afternoon and around 60 for the valley. 7-day forecast for the coast shows the windy and wet conditions starting Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we're going to see just basically scattered showers and some sunbreaks. See another strong storm come blasting in on Thursday. In the Umpqua Basin, temperatures sitting right around 66 tomorrow. Big contrast as we get wet. And again, breezy Saturday, Sunday, then kind of cool and unsettled throughout most of next week. Cascades, do expect the snow levels to drop down to around 3,500 feet. Could be accumulating snow Saturday night into Sunday. Valley residents will likely look at the temperatures falling into the low 50s. Kind of a raw weekend, but as we mentioned last night, tomorrow should be a very, very nice afternoon. Get the leaves raked up. I'm just going to say it again.
Don't have much time left before they get
No, you really don't. You
soaked.
have about 24 hours.
All right.